Scarlett Johansson has a favorite dish that I love.
Oh, God, thanks you guys.
Buffalo wings. Let's make this delicious dish together and taste it. Stay tuned with.
While the true origins of the buffalo wing remain under dispute, there is no doubt about where it came from. Buffalo, New York, the city of good neighbors. But depending on who you talk to, one of two restaurants was the first to start setting mouths deliciously aflame. For years, the going national belief was that Sicily-born Teresa Bellissimo invented the buffalo wing in 1964. She and her husband Frank, no relation to the hot sauce, opened their Buffalo-based Anchor Bar in 1935.
We need chicken wings and shoulders. Be sure to remove the extra parts of the wings and fats. After that, wash the wings well and dry them. In a deep bowl, add garlic powder, smoked paprika, oregano, salt, black pepper, and olive oil to the wings, and mix well until it's coated with the spices. Add flour to completely cover the chicken skin. And the final kiss. Fry in oil with medium-high heat for 15 minutes. In the meantime, we make buffalo sauce. We need hot sauce, butter, and honey. After 3 minutes of heating, it's ready. Let's make side dish sauce together. Mayonnaise, Worcestershire, mustard, parsley, lemon, garlic, oregano, and little salt and black pepper. This sauce is a style of French sauce that goes very well with buffalo wings. Now the chickens are crispy. Put them in a bowl and mix them with the attractive sauce we made. Even the smell of this food makes you hungry.
Separate categories, most of which require participants to eat as many buffalo wings as possible within a given period of time, like being hazed by bullies who have no imagination.
That one's hot.
Enjoy your meal. It's a 10.